Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a very interesting comparison for you. The Bajaj Q 2023 versus MG Comet EV. These are two very different electric vehicles that cater to different segments of the market. But they both claim to offer a smart, affordable and eco-friendly solution for urban mobility. So which one is better for you? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design and dimensions. The Bajaj Q 2023 is India's first quadricycle, which means it is a four-wheeler version of an auto rickshaw. It is a hard top roof, doors, a steering wheels and 2+2 sitting configuration. It looks cute and quirky but also very compact and practical. It measures 2974 mm in length, 1505 mm in width and 1640 mm in height. It has a wheelbase of 2010 mm and a turning radius of 3.5 meters. It comes in 6 colors: blue, red, green, yellow, white and black. As you can see, both the vehicles have the same dimensions but they have very different styles and personalities. The Bajaj Q 2023 is more of a utility vehicle that can be used for both personal and commercial purposes, while the MG Comet EV is a more of a lifestyle vehicle that can be customized and personalized to suit your preferences. Next, let's talk about the performance and range. The Bajaj Q 2023 is powered by a 216cc liquid-cooled TSI engine that can run on petrol or CNG. It makes 13.1 horsepower and 18.9 Nm of torque on petrol and 10.98 horsepower and 16.1 Nm of torque on CNG. It has a claimed fuel economy of 35 km per liter on petrol and 43 km per kg on CNG. It has a top speed of 70 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 km per hour in 12 seconds. The MG Comet EV, on the other hand, is powered by a 17.3 kWh battery pack that is paired with the motor that makes 41 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque. It has a climb range of 213 km on a single charge and can be charged up to 80% in 40 minutes using a fast charger. It has a top speed of 100 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 km per hour in 9 seconds. As you can see, the MG Comet EV has a clear advantage over the Bajaj Q 2023 in terms of power, torque, speed and acceleration. It also has a decent range that can cover most of your daily needs. The Bajaj Q 2023, however, has the benefit of being able to switch between petrol and CNG, which gives it more flexibility and affordability in terms of fuel option. Finally, let's talk about the features and technology. The Bajaj Q 2023 comes with a basic and functional dashboard that has a digital instrument cluster, a globe box, a USB port and a 12-volt socket. It also has a manual AC, power windows, central locking, seat belts, a rear wiper and defogger. It doesn't have any infotainment system, airbags, ABS or connected car features. The MG Comet EV, on the other hand, comes with a plush and premium dashboard that has a 10.25-inch integrated floating wide screen that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a digital key with Bluetooth technology, a reverse parking camera and iSmart with 55 plus connected car features. It also has a smart start system, a leather covered steering wheel, fabric seat upholstery, a 20.6 liter fuel tank, power adjust ORVMS, dual airbags, ABS, EBD and hill start assist. As you can see, the MG Comet EV has a lot more features and technology than the Bajaj Q 2023. It offers a more comfortable, convenient and safe driving experience with a lot of smart and connected functions. The Bajaj Q 2023, however, has a more simple and minimalist approach with only the essential features and no frills. So which one should you buy? Well, it depends on your budget, your needs and your preferences. The Bajaj Q 2023 is cheaper, more versatile and more economical, but it is also less powerful, less spacious and less equipped. The MG Comet EV is more expensive, more stylish and more fun, but it is also less practical, less accessible and less flexible. Both the vehicles have their pros and cons and you have to decide which one suit you better. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.